आज जो फिल्म है ना, it's not a film, it's real life. Because I think before 2019, the word astrology used to be, once COVID came na, I think the number of astrologers became equal to the number of influencers and creators in this world. क्योंकि हर किसी को ये जानना था कि अब क्या होगा, 3 महीने बाद क्या होगा. और जिस इंडस्ट्री में मैं रहता हूँ, मुझे याद है कि there was one, I'll not take the name, he was a great actor, singer, who in his house, the tiles also had to be a certain number. The time of release of the trailer, because I've done the trailer release, I had to wait on stage for 1.5 minutes because the time had to be timed at that same time to release it. And sometimes that obsession can really get the better of you. He no longer believes so much in it. But of course, उनका टाइम उस समय चल रहा था. तो समय समय की बात होती है, लेकिन समय जो है इतना बलवान होता है कि मुझे लगता है कि टू मेक अ फिल्म ऑन टाइम इटसेल्फ, यू नो, एंड द एस्ट्रोलॉजिकल पावर दैट इट होल्ड्स ओवर पीपल इज व्हाट कर्तम भुक्तम इज. सो श्रेयस, थैंक्स सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग मी.
प्लेजर. Always.
Soham sir, thank you so much for thinking of such a twisted plot. And Aksha, thank you so much for joining me. But hair twisted, समय समय की बात रहती है. We have to start with you also. You've seen glory days and we're discussing 20 years में you go back, even if you go back with Shreyas also, जो पहला होता है, जो suddenly दिखता है, not the current OTT world, उसके साथ जिंदगी भर आपको निकालनी पड़ती है, until you climb Mount Everest again.
Correct.
Deflating or aspiring for you as a person?
See, I think basically I'm a very positive person, and for some reason, you know, these things have never actually bothered me. So I think where the journey starts from is like the film that you make, that it is. And there must be a reason why I may have taken a long gap also, because I want to make films that I believe in.
Yeah.
And I definitely don't want to make films just for the heck of making, because for bread and butter there are many other resources. There's advertising, films, everything goes on. But so I've only been inspired because all these years you keep watching the new mediums, you watch OTT, you watch all the films. So it's a learning all the time. So eventually you need to come back with something that you believe very strongly in.
Twisted this also, वो भी तब था, उस समय cool होता था. और why is it about that? जो ज़्यादा smiling faces होते हैं, जिनकी आंखें इतनी खुली रहती है, उनके दिमाग के अंदर इतना सब कुछ चल रहा होता है. As a writer also, because you're a writer, I guess it always does happen. But the truth is that very difficult to make a thriller that actually thrills and that can leave not enough being told. नहीं तो सब पहले 15 मिनट में उगल देते हैं. So is that the reason also? Do you think you're a stronger writer, and so you become a stronger director?
I think Kartam Bhuktam has been a very different experience for me as a writer, because एक time था जब आपने कहा काल, लक, इन फिल्मों के time there were, you know, we used to be inspired by Hollywood films. We used to watch too many DVDs. But एक evolvement होता है eventually. And obviously in the last 6-8 years, whatever OTT content also we've grown on, it comes back to roots. I wanted to make something which is very realistic, which is very connectable. This is not a very urban or a, you know, so-called South Bombay Bandra film. It is very massy, BNC class rooted film.
Sir, वो smart choice है actually.
नहीं, एक्चुअली
साउथ बॉम्बे वाले बहुत टाइम हो गया सर, नहीं चल रहे हैं.
नहीं, बाय चॉइस नहीं है. ऑनेस्टली दिस स्टोरी इज सच, इट्स अबाउट बिलीफ. वेरी लाइक पीपल जो बहुत तकलीफों से गुजरते हैं, हु नीड हेल्प.
नो, बट यू आर मिस्टेकन देयर. एवरीबॉडी आई नो हैज नॉट वन, हैज एटलीस्ट 5 एस्ट्रोलजर्स. मैं सच बोल रहा हूं. या क्योंकि एक होता है वास्तु वाला, फिर एक एस्ट्रोलॉजर बोलता अभी समय खराब चल रहा है, इसको डबल चेक करो. इसका डॉक्टर सेकंड ओपिनियन लेने चलो यार. उसने ऐसा बोला था. अच्छा, एक
वास्तु वाला दूसरे वास्तु वाले के साथ कभी मैच नहीं करता.
14 वास्तु वही रहती है बहुत. और एक्चुअली मुझे लगता है कि इनका ये जो जनाब बीच में ना, ही इज अ रॉन्ग प्रोफेशन. You see, he's a brilliant cricketer actually. There is nobody who can bowl fast, who can bowl spin, and can do batting, and has done at a level जहाँ लोगों ने तालियां मारे. वाह, what a bowler. याद है ना आपको? पहले ऐसे ऐसे आते थे, फिर ऐसे ऐसे आते थे कोई प्रवीण नाम पे. So Shreyas, I have to ask you this. ये जो आपका side profession चल रहा है, which you are so adept at, are you enjoying it? तो सच है.
It's a laughing fit.
आज तक इतिहास में कोई फास्ट बॉलर एंड स्पिनर हमें मिला
आज तक इतिहास में मेरा इंट्रोडक्शन कभी ऐसा हुआ नहीं है. बट मैं एक बार बताना चाहता हूँ सलील कि आपने जो फिल्म का इंट्रोडक्शन किया ना वो एकदम बैंग ऑन बहुत कर मतलब हमें बोलने के लिए आपने अच्छा मटेरियल दे दिया कि हम कैसे समझाएं हमारी फिल्म का आप बताना चाहते हैं बट आपने जो बोला एस्ट्रोलॉजी के बारे में और कि हर एक बंदा एक नहीं 5 एस्ट्रोलॉजर के पास जाता है क्योंकि कोविड के बाद ऐसा टाइम आ गया कि भाई क्या होगा मैं क्या करूं इन स्पाइट ऑफ द फैक्ट कि वो बहुत पैसे वाला हो या बहुत गरीब हो हर बंदा वो कर रहा है पैसे वाला पैसे टिकाने के लिए और कमाने के लिए गरीब और थोड़ा अमीर होने के लिए बट एवरीवन इज डूइंग इट एंड दैट इज व्हाट द फिल्म डील्स विद इट कुड हैव बीन अ डॉक्यूमेंट्री ऑल्सो बट द रूट दैट इट टुक ऑफ अ थ्रिलर इज एक्सट्रीमली फैसिनेटिंग जिस तरीके से वो कहानी
एंड आल्सो व्हाट आई लाइक इज कि देखो एक समय ऐसा था कि भारत में ना काले जादू के बारे में बड़ा सोचते थे एंड दे यूज्ड टू बी लिटिल फियरफुल ऑफ एस्ट्रोलॉजी अरे यार इज द वर्ल्ड्स मर्जिंग टुडे आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी साइंटिफिक अप्रोच आई हैव लॉट ऑफ मैथमेटिशियन फ्रेंड्स बैंकर्स एंड ऑल जिन्होंने फील करना शुरू किया देन दे स्टार्टेड एस्ट्रोलॉजी एंड दे वेरी राइट विद इट आई फील इट बिकेम मोर अबाउट नंबर्स एज द डेज वेंट बाय और मुझे लगता है कि ये कोविड में थोड़ी सी इस मामले में क्लैरिटी आ गई कि भाई इट इज लाइक अ थेरेपिस्ट जैसे आपके पास एक बैंकर है एक ड्राइवर है घर पे काम करने वाले हैं वैसे एक रेजिडेंट एस्ट्रोलॉजर होना चाहिए सो वो आई थिंक एवरी
कुछ लोगों के तो पेरोल पे भी होते
बहुत ज्यादा बट इवन पीपल लाइक यू एज एक्टर्स यू हैव टू हैव डन इट एट सम टाइम यार जब तुम्हारी शुरुआत हुई थी वो लाइक अ शूटिंग स्टार आल्सो तो किसी ने चेक तो किया होगा ना
अरे भाई मेरी एक शुरुआत हुई थी मराठी टेलीविजन में अच्छी खासी शुरुआत हो गई थी पैसे थोड़े थोड़े आ रहे थे बाइक वाइक अपनी ले ली थी और किसी ने बोल दिया था कि भाई एक गुरुजी है उनके पास चले जाना और उन्होंने फलाना को ये बोला उनको वो बोला उनका ये हो गया तो कुछ नहीं वो पुखराज जो है वो पहन लिया हाँ तो वो सर पहना वो पहनने के एक हफ्ते बाद मेरी पहली मराठी फिल्म मुझे मिली मैंने बोला पुखराज में पप्पियाँ ले ली मैंने तो यार ऐसा भी होता है तो हो गया शुरू हो गया उसके बाद से सर जो मेरी चीजें बंद होनी शुरू हुई धड़ाधड़ एक के बाद एक जो टेलीविजन सीरीज वगैरह चल रही थी सब बंद कोई बोल रहा है अरे यहाँ पे क्यों पहनी है पागल इस उंगली में तो ठड़ाएंगे इधर पहनी यहाँ पे क्यों यहाँ ये वाले हाथ में ठड़ाएं इतना बदलता गया टाइम नहीं बदला टाइम उतना ही गंदा बदल रहा था बट मैंने एक पॉइंट पे तब मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड थी मेरी वाइफ तो मैंने दीप्ति को बोला कि यार ये बस हो गया ओके कमर में भी लगा होगा सब हो गया मैंने बोला इसको हटाऊंगा मैं अंगूठी समुंदर में फेंक दूंगा नहीं चाहिए मुझे तो बोली नहीं ये काम करना फेंकना मत तो मैंने कहा ये कुछ और ज्ञान की बात देगी तो बोला फेंकना मत मुझे दे बोला तू क्या करेगी उसने बोला मैं अंदर का वो पुखराज फेंक दूंगी सोना रख दूंगी
समझदार ये होते हैं गुस्से में सोना भी जाता
Is that when you decided to marry
her?
Immediately.
But we come to this beautiful lady, Aksha. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you.
Now you tell me, I don't see it. You've had a stellar career before the career also. You see, and I'll tell you something. Television serials and films are easy. To crack the ad world is the toughest. क्योंकि 400 लोगों के सामने आप खुशी व्यक्त कर रहे होते हैं, आंसू आ रहे होते हैं, एक फ्रेग्रेंस जो कुछ नहीं होता है सडनली आपको सूंघना पड़ता है। मुझे एक दिन ऐसे भेज दिया था, बोला कि अभी ना वो लैवेंडर की स्मेल आई है। मैंने कहा ओह, मेरा नाक बंद था, ऐसे सर इट्स नॉट लुकिंग नाइस। So I know that I've had some bad auditions. So when you do that, of course a lot of people also start to believe that. And माँ बाप चाहे माने या ना माने, कोई रिश्तेदार मिल जाता है। And then there's a bit of a chart that is made. कोई पत्ते में believe करते हैं all that. So you have to have had the curiosity. Have you already made it?
Of course. Matlab, especially when you're entering a career like that, you obviously want to know, because मेरे family में I'm the odd one out. I'm the only one in this profession. So there is so much discouragement everywhere. So obviously I think it's more out of fear that you go to people to understand, do you have a future here? Do you have something here? Acha, ye. And I feel like fear is the factor that people play on.
Correct.
The minute you go to an astrologer, the minute you go to a pandit, the minute you go to and I'm not saying it in a wrong way, I'm just saying that they know that this person has a problem, they know that this person is going through something, and that's what they play on.
Correct.
And that's exactly what we're trying to show here in this film. I think that, when you have undue faith in something that does not exist, and in people who claim to know everything
and
about the universe.
Most vulnerable.
When you're most vulnerable, exactly.
See, all they have to say is 7.5 chal rahi hai. Khatam. So let me tell you, as people know, I am a great believer in the science of this. Okay, of course. it's mathematical. I used to also have rings and I took it off. I remember Arbaz भाई से जब मैं मिला था एक बार, he had 10, 5 and 5, हाँ.
Wow.
इसका balance है, इसका balance है, इसका वो balance ही चल गया था. So there was that phase, right? I believe in the mathematics of it. I believe in planets, and I chart it, but it's not like you follow it. Like I'll not do something if it's there. वो मैं जानता हूँ. This is also something that is great writing material for people. मतलब ये तो समुंदर रहा होगा आपके लिए for content. मतलब जब भी कोई writer को ऐसा content चाहिए होता है, there is not one person जो इससे relate नहीं करेगा.
So basically, Salil, I've done a PhD in
I'm sure.
astrology now. I am myself an astrologer, I can say that. But see, the journey is that you meet some good ones and some bad ones.
Correct.
And उसमें से अभी आप क्या best निकालते हो? Because ये एक समुंदर है, it's like a occult world. As they said, we are talking about stones, we are talking about dates, we are talking about numbers. ये endless world है. But जो सच्चाई है, जो ट्रेलर में आप सुनते हो, वो लाइन वही सही है कि सब लिखित होना. सब कुछ लिखित है. See, कोई बिलीव करे एस्ट्रोलॉजी में ना करे, पर सब लिखित है. ये बात बहुत ही स्ट्रांग है. डेस्टिनी है, चाहे आप मानो या ना मानो. और फिर लक फैक्टर, मेहनत, ये वो, स्टारडम, सक्सेस, जिसको जो लगता है, बट बॉस समवेयर इट इज ऑल डिस्टाइंड. अदरवाइज व्हाई इज एवरीवन नॉट सक्सेसफुल? एंड
and it's also balanced by all the good that you do in the world, right?
और वही आपकी एक और लाइन है, कर्मा ना.
absolutely.
And अंग्रेजी में कहावत है, कर्मा kind of views on here, others have told you, but it bites back. और पता है सच ये होता है कि if you do it for a reason, ये सच है, but if you do it for a reason, वो स्वार्थ के लिए जो करते हैं ना, तुम्हें अंदर ही उस समय जब स्वार्थ के लिए कर रहे होते हो ना, नहीं, you are okay with 95 coming back to you. जब actually निस्वार्थ करते हो, तो जब 200 वापस आता है, then you're pleasantly surprised. I don't know how many people are that innocent anymore in this current world. हमारे इंडस्ट्री में तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
ज़्यादा करके कोई ये नहीं सोच रहा है कि अब क्या वापस आएगा. अभी जो आ रहा है वो आने दो, बाद में जो आएगा देखा जाएगा.
I love the dark tone to the film also. एक फिल्म में आपका ये है actually. You always have, तो you know, like संजय गुप्ता सर का एक सेपिया टोन खूबसूरत होता था. अरे ये बाद में KGF and all आई है भाई, हम तो करोड़ साल से पहले देख रहे थे. You know, there's sometimes brown tone. This is beautiful. You've always had a darkish tone to your films. You like that. Is that as a filmmaker or just because you just think it looks so much cooler?
See, Luck wasn't that dark, but yes, Carl had a little greens and like, you know, jungle feel. This
उस ज़माने में नहीं देखा था. हाँ.
और इसमें भी, see, honestly, because I'm a designer from JJ School of Arts, colors matter to me a lot. First thing that comes to me is the color, the feel, the mood, the tones. So that comes from my designing background. I don't know whether वो filmmaker background है, it's more of a designer background. But then I like to look at the whole film in totality. Like my posters, my trailers, my film, everything should have a synergy.
नहीं, मैं बहुत directors को जानता हूँ जो story के बारे में they think about it. Technically, they leave it to the DOP. They leave it. They don't get involved in that.
I think I'm a control freak on those angles. Because I like that, you know, a little touch of a tone of.
No, it looks fantastic. See, I'm liking it. That's why I'm constantly talking about it. He's a control freak. Was he troublesome?
No, not at all.
On the
on the contrary, I felt like, you know, he was, when I met him for the first time, he had, like, I met him almost like 6-8 months before we started shooting. And he was so clear. He knew every page by heart because obviously he's written it. But it's so difficult to take yourself out of it and narrate it as a new script to somebody. And to keep that kind of objectivity also, and you know, to narrate it to an actor. When he narrated it to me, I was like, he is so sure of what he wants. And the experience that I had on set was that he would actually give you freedom to do what you want also, to do what you think is right with the character.
उस दायरे के अंदर.
So yeah, so he was a collaborator, which I really liked. He's not a control freak to that extent.
अच्छा सिखा लिया बाहर से.
वेरी स्मार्ट डायरेक्टर. मतलब वो ना कि ये ऐसा ऐसा है, ये क्या करना है, क्या लगता है आपको? सो मुझे क्या लगता है, थोड़ा अगर ऐसा करे तो अच्छा है. वेरी नाइस. अगले शॉट में अपन वो भी ट्राई करते हैं. पहले ये करते तो डायरेक्टर समझ जाता है भाई इसको जो चाहिए वो करो.
but also they're all being very modest. थोड़ा सा ब्रेक लेंगे because the amount of talent that this man has sitting in the middle also, I'm a huge fan of him. I'm a huge fan of Vijay Raj also. Why I say this also is because एक एक्टर आज की डेट पे it's not so common, you know. बॉडी होता है, क्राफ्ट होता है, आवाज़ होती है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती है. इनके लिए तो स्पोर्टिंग भी है, बट सारी चीज़ों के लिए ना there is a great thought process that goes into it, because and I think Shreyas Talpade has not got enough, in my mind, praise for all the years that he put it in, as he should have, as he had in the beginning. So I'm very happy that he's coming back. It actually took a voiceover in a film to suddenly remember him once again, that what a genius performer he is. Hota hai. And he's still 16. Look at him, how young he still looks. There's a tremendous amount of craft that you know, and you spent a lot of time on that craft also. It's almost like a resurgence. Actors have it all. Just say, in Hollywood, you have so many actors that eventually, great voice actors, great actors, they do different things. You think that culture will come into Indian cinema? Yeah, nahi.
That should know, ideally, because...
Ideally I know what should.
Yeah.
But you think with stardom and with social media...
No, it will. It will, because things have started changing pretty dramatically now. If you look at the younger generation, they are no longer interested in any kind of bullshit.
Correct.
तो उनको आप जो है ना वो दिखाओ. ओके, जो असलियत है वो दिखाओ, बाकी हम लोग को सब मालूम है. ओके, तो आप ज़्यादा हमें ज्ञानबाजी मत करो. अब हम एक्शन बहुत सारी फिल्मों में देखते हैं, हम बाकी भी देखते हैं. आप हमें क्या दिखाओगे?
करेक्ट.
एंड दे आर कंसर्न्ड विद इमोशन. ओके, इमोशनली अगर उनको कनेक्ट करते तो वो जो बरसों से चला है, मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि कोई नई चीज़ है, बट जो एक फैक्टर कॉमन रहा है पहले और आज में भी, दैट इज दैट इमोशनल कनेक्ट. इफ यू हैव दैट एंड इफ यू गिव देम समथिंग ओरिजिनल, समथिंग रिलेटेबल एंड समथिंग विच इज डिसेंटली मेड, they'll go and watch it.
Actually, that's why regional cinema does so well. And I'm not talking only about South. Marathi cinema does very well. Gujarati cinema has great storylines. आप जैसे लोगों का काम appreciate किया जाएगा, और मेहनत directors and script writers and all को ज़्यादा करनी पड़ेगी. I have a feeling.
Definitely. I think the quality bar and the content bar has to rise up. और कुछ भी अभी mediocre या बनाने के लिए जो बन जाते हैं, project making अब नहीं चल पाएगा.
पर आप खुद ही इसका हिस्सा in that world रहते हैं, where you had access to everybody. So tell me something, as a filmmaker, जब आपको पता है आपके पास सबसे बड़ा एक्टर आ सकता है, आपका एक बड़ा प्रोड्यूसर है, क्या आप फिर अपने ज़मीर को जगाने के लिए एक ऐसा स्क्रिप्ट लिखेंगे, I want to make this great film? Be honest. Or would you rather make 200 crores and then say कि देखो पहले मैं ये बना.
No, but I'll answer that question. He had that opportunity, not that he didn't. Even with Kartam Bhuktam, he had that opportunity where the producer said कि you have access to other bigger actors, you approach them and you do it. But he didn't do that. He wanted to make this film with a Shreyas Talpade, with a Aksha, with the other set of actors, So he went ahead and he did that because he believed in it. And that is what I really appreciate about this guy.
Also, I really feel, because honestly we are little old school people, because we've been here for many years. Something like a overcasting for something को मिल रहा है, इसलिए see I've done that.
Yes.
Honestly, in luck. For some reason, I think Imran Khan was not very accepted for an action hero role. So these were the learnings that, I'll be more careful in casting people who really are true to the character. And the kind of cinema right now which is appreciated, whether on OTT, whether on films, I wanted to come with it's not about me as a director. My film needs to work.
Correct.
That overall concept needs to work. And that I have the access to the bigger stars, but those subjects might be different.
Correct.
Most important, Salil, was that I wanted to work with actors who would follow the script. It's not even the director, it's the script. And somewhere, some scripts or some larger actors, that does hamper the film. I was in no mood of
आपके control freak का बहुत अच्छा वो है ये, but director को होना भी चाहिए. You are not writing a script that is 20% changeable. कि कोई एक्टर आ जाए, मैं वो चेंज करके आप भी यहाँ से नहीं जाऊँगा, मैं वहाँ से जाऊँगा.
But at the same time, the collaboration. See, I was very aware that he is a director himself.
Yeah.
He's made Poster Boys as a director. He's an intelligent actor. I have a challenge that people ask me only one thing: Shreyas Talpade, a comedy film hai. See, I have to break these. I was against these norms, but somewhere I knew that what he's brought to the script on the emotional quotient. I had not had those scenes in the film. Our journey has been very organic. That Swam, don't you think you want to just touch over these emotions? Just look at it once more.
Correct.
And he just need to say that, and I revisited the script. So that combination, I think, has been very helpful. Very helpful.
I like it. In this world of good performances, as an actor, you also got so excited, because you want to come in there where you see that everyone is just bouncing off each other.
Of course.
And there's no, some films require heroic shots and beauty shots. जहाँ एक पूरे दिन में सिर्फ चल रहे हैं.
Correct.
और बाद में चल रहा है कैसे? But You must have really enjoyed the setup.
Of course, I mean, I've already worked with Shreyas on a short film before this, and we already had like a blast. That was like a very, very simple shoot. So, you know, we already had like we already like met and we were very comfortable. And I knew that, you know, working with him and working with the other actors like Vijay Raj and Madhuji also, I knew that, you know, this kind of energy that I'm going to get from them, I was more excited about that. Because I think these actors, like, you can work with stars, you can work with, but I feel like you're working more with a facade then, I feel. And you kind of you can't really approach people who are not willing to break that whole facade around them. And I feel like on this particular film, such wonderful actors, such collaborative actors, and also a director who really believed in us. I think that was great.
You know, I'm so happy that we're living in this world. 10 years ago, it would have been detrimental to speak like this, not for me. Even for me, for reviews. I was told to stop doing reviews. That's why I don't do reviews anymore. But what, internet पर तो पड़े हुए ना. But that's the truth. It's very difficult for people to digest the truth. And I think it works very well. I think everyone suffers over a period of time. But I think now we've reached a power where you don't need to just say what has to be said. It's not like a teleprompter script, जो पहले बहुत use होता था. So I'm very thankful that you guys are like that, and I hope that it works really well, brother.
No, because like I said, people have had enough of all of that. वो सब बोला बहुत हो गया ना. When do you actually start saying what you feel like saying?
He's अब तो ये great voice over artist भी है ना. He says everything also.
अभी ये नए दिल से बोल रहा है.
So you know na what I'm talking about, which voiceover? Pushpa. You know na. This is that. यही. So that's what I'm saying. हम सबका काम खा चुका है ये. पहले शरद केलकर था और फिर अभी ये. दोनों. So with great not happiness I say this. Thank you so much for joining us, brother. Really was a pleasure.
It was a pleasure.
Good luck, sir.
Thank you so much.
So the next film that you make with all the big superstars, na, I'll come to that and we'll chat. Na? They'll be sitting here, na?
वो तब का करतम भुक्तम तब.
I'll play. And so hold 1 second. आप ये बोल रहे थे. I'll have that screen. Thank you for joining us. It was a pleasure.
नहीं वो होगा क्या ना, मुझे एक इन टट्टुओं की जरूरत थी. मेरे प्रोड्यूसर के पास इतने ही पैसे थे, उसने बोला कि इसमें जिसके साथ आता है बना ले. तो he wanted an actor who was cheap, who looked vulnerable. And जिसको बोल दो,
you can carry the ship forward.
जिसको बोल दो, sir, you're a phenomenal actor, वो खुश हो जाता है. आपने प्रवीण स्वामी में क्या स्पेस है?
कमाल.
But वो तो है. Cricket. I'll see you guys soon. Take care. Kartam Bhuktam it is. Looks fantastic. Looks intense. It's got lots of twists and turns. That's what you want in a film. कि at least 2 घंटे तक आप confused होते रहो कि what's happening, and then the climax actually is a climax and not an anti-climax, which is mostly nice. Bye bye.